In this example, we have a square root on the bottom of a fraction, which isn't something that we normally want, and the process of removing it is called rationalizing the denominator. And in this case, what we start off with is 6 over root 2. Now, when we have a simple case like this, with just a square root on the bottom, that's the only thing that's on the bottom, all we have to do is multiply both the top and the bottom of the fraction by the original square root that appeared on the bottom. So since root 2 appeared on the bottom, we multiply the top and bottom of the fraction by root 2. And something you've done before, but may have forgotten, is how to multiply a regular ordinary number by a square root. And all you do is you stick them together. So 6 times root 2 is just 6 root 2. Okay? So a whole number, a regular whole number multiplied by square root, you just stick them together, 6 root 2. On the bottom, we have root 2 times root 2. And what's happening there is you can multiply the numbers under the square root sign. Root 2 by root 2 would be root 4. Okay, but let's see if we can simplify that a little bit. That's 6 root 2 on top. We don't know what the square root of 2 is, so just leave it as the square root of 2. On the bottom, we do know that the square root of 4 is equal to 2. And then we have 6 root 2 divided by 2. It's perfectly okay to reduce this fraction by dividing 2 into 2 goes 1 time, and 2 into 6 goes 3 times. And I don't cancel the 2 on the bottom with the root 2. That's not allowed. But what we have now is 3 root 2 over 1. So 3 root 2 over 1, and anything over 1 is just the number itself. So 3 root 2. So 6 divided by root 2 is equal to 3 root 2. Okay? Now, there's no way of going from here directly to here. You have to work through this process. Okay, so hopefully it's clear enough and not too difficult. Again, the bones of it is that you multiply top and bottom of the fraction by the square root that was originally on the bottom.